In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Threads post to Instagram from your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a post from Threads straight into your Instagram feed with just a few taps. All you need is your iPhone with the Threads app and Instagram installed and signed in on the same account you want to use. Start by opening the Threads app on your iPhone. You can launch it from your home screen or pull down to search if you keep your apps organized in the app library. Once Threads is open, take a moment to navigate to the post you want to share. That could be something you just created or a post you saw earlier and saved or remembered. Make sure it's the exact thread you want to feature on your Instagram feed, since that's what your followers will see. When you're looking at the thread, glance just below the post. You'll see a row of icons. Tap the share icon, the one that looks like an arrow pointing up and out. This opens a sharing menu with several options. From that list, choose Share to Instagram Post. This tells Threads to hand the content off to Instagram and set it up as a regular feed post. Instagram will open automatically, and you'll land on the Composer screen with your Threads content already attached. Take a quick look to confirm the preview looks right. If the layout gives you any crop or framing choices, adjust it so the important parts are centered and readable. This is your chance to make small edits before publishing. Now customize your post. Add a caption that gives context or expands on your original thought from Threads. If hashtags are part of your strategy, include a few relevant ones to help people discover the post. You can tag people or brands if they're part of the conversation, and add a location if it makes sense for your audience. If you use accessibility features, look for the option to add alt text so the image or card is described for screen readers. You can also check any sharing toggles you use regularly, like whether to share to other connected accounts, but keep your focus on the Instagram feed post option you chose. When everything looks good, tap share at the bottom. Instagram will publish the post to your feed, and your followers will be able to see that Threads content right away. That's it. Open Threads, pick your post, share to Instagram post, refine an Instagram, and share. If anything looks different, updating both apps usually aligns the interfaces and makes the process smooth.